Yes guys, let us continue with our tutorial. So here we have the demo. This is where we reached with the previous tutorial. So I'm going to use preset. I'm going to use international paper. This is where you will get a 4 size, a 3 size, a 6 and a 2 size. So it's upon you. I think you know what you are designing, but today we want to look on how the tools work. But I'm just taking you on how to use the new setup of Photoshop. So this is, we want a blank working area because we cannot work here in this area. We must have a working area. So I will go to international paper and choose, I will work with let me do a 4, let me do a 3, no, let me do a 4 size. Then actually the size of a 4 millimeters, that is 210 width by height 293, resolution and all this color, but this is color mode, just leave them as they are. You can change the background this place if you want, but don't do it. The working area will be white, or you can change to background color. So that is what, or transparent, but with me I will leave it at white. So then I come here, everything is set, demo, international paper, A4 to 10 by that. Then I will click OK. Then I will have this as my working area. I think you can notice I've just introduced you to the tools. After opening this working area here, on this side we have something called background. This is the background. Background is the working area. So I will give it a name. For you to give it a name, come and click on the name. Don't click here. Click on the name. Double click because we want to unlock it. It is now locked. We want to unlock it and give it a name. When you double click like this, give it a name. I will give it BG, stand for background, and OK. And you can see there is no lock again. Let us now start. Let us start with this move tool, because today we are doing demo on how to use tools. Then we have tool number 1, which is this one. This tool is used as move tool. Let me first use tool number 2 for us to start using tool number 1. So tool number 2 is a rectangle tool. This tool, its work is to, when you have already selected it, you can see it is different now. See? So when you've selected it, come and draw by left clicking without leaving the mouse and dragging the mouse like this one. After doing that, this shape will appear. If you want a different shape, you just long press on the arrow down here. See this arrow down here, long press and choose your shape. You can choose any shape, but for me I've decided to go with rectangular. So after doing that, I will take the move tool. The work of move tool is to ensure you move it from one point to the other. So let me first give it color. For us to give it color, it must be on another layer. So let us create another layer. Come here, you see this point, double click, look for a color. I will take red. After taking color red, it cannot come here still with Adobe Photoshop. You can see we have 2 layers now. So I will come here, you see this gradient, click on the arrow at the bottom, take the paint tool. The paint tool acts in Photoshop as a brush. After selecting color, now you come to paint tool, now color the area. See, now we have the color. Now we have this. Now you see there is these 2 eyes here. So when I disable, it disappears. When I enable, it appears. So now this is my working area. So I don't want this shape again because I already have my color. So I will control D